gain more score when we speak like the wind. So let's find out with me. Everyone uses things like that, but that's not very true, at least in my opinion. You know that when you speak Vietnamese too fast, even your parents and your friends cannot understand what you're trying to say. This happens to me a lot. I speak Vietnamese very fast and even drop some letters. Like instead of con chào cô, I would say con ao cô. And that is just reading. What if you and your friends are discussing a topic and you speak as fast as when you greet someone like I do? It can be very difficult to know what I'm talking about, right? So if you apply the same principles to when you speak English during the test, if you don't speak clearly.
There was only a little curtain separating us while she's having her makeup done, and I started like going, I don't think I can do this, I don't think I can do this, and she would have heard it all. And then she popped out, so I put on a brave face, but the second time I went out on a balcony and got on my hands and knees and cried.
So you have to speak clearly so that the examiner could understand you. Mispronouncing a word can turn your score down. If the examiner cannot understand you and the voice recorder fails to record, or maybe it has some problems on that day, you could not get the aim that you want. So fluency is not about how fast you're gonna talk. It is about how well you're gonna handle the topic without having any struggle in vocab. So this is the end of my video. Hopefully I can help you learn speaking better. See ya!
IELTS Fighter, vì 1 triệu người Việt đạt 6.5 IELTS.